Steve Jobs once said, "Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do." This principle guided Jobs throughout his life. From a young age, Jobs was captivated by electronics and design. His passion led him to co-found Apple in his parents' garage. Despite having no formal engineering education, his relentless curiosity and love for his work drove him to create products that would revolutionize the tech industry. The lesson here is clear: find what you love, pursue it with all your heart, and excellence will follow. Jobs' journey was not without setbacks. In 1985, he was famously ousted from Apple, the very company he helped build. This could have been the end of his story, but Jobs viewed failure as a learning opportunity. He went on to found Next and Pixar, two companies that would also make significant impacts in their respective fields. Jobs once said, "I'm convinced that about half of what separates successful entrepreneurs from the non-successful ones is pure perseverance." His resilience in the face of adversity teaches us that failure is not a final destination but a stepping stone to greater achievements. Embrace your failures, learn from them, and use them as fuel for your future success. Tarankan think differently. Here's to the crazy ones, the misfits, the rebels, the troublemakers, the round pegs in the square holes, the ones who see things differently. They're not fond of rules, and they have no respect for the status quo. Jobs believed in the power of thinking differently. This mindset was at the core of Apple's identity. It led to groundbreaking innovations such as the Macintosh, the iPod, the iPhone, and the iPad. These products didn't just meet consumer needs, they anticipated them, creating entirely new markets and transforming industries. Innovation comes from those who dare to dream big and challenge conventional wisdom. Jobs' legacy reminds us that to make a significant impact, we must be willing to think outside the box, question the status quo, and pursue our ideas with fearless determination. Tarankan, stay true to your vision. In a world full of noise and external pressures, staying true to your vision is paramount. Jobs once advised, "Have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary." Jobs' commitment to his vision was unwavering. Even when others doubted him, he stayed true to his beliefs and his passion for creating user-friendly, beautifully designed technology. His authenticity and dedication are what made him a leader who could inspire and galvanize others. We must learn to trust ourselves and our instincts, especially when the path is uncertain. Stay true to your vision, and let it guide you through the challenges and triumphs of your journey. Jobs' ultimate goal was to make a lasting impact on the world. He believed in the power of technology to change lives and improve the human experience. His work at Apple, Pixar, and Next has left an indelible mark on the world, influencing countless industries and inspiring future generations of innovators. "The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do," Jobs said. His life and work remind us that we all have the potential to make a difference. By following our passions, embracing failure, thinking differently, and staying true to our vision, we can create a lasting impact on the world. Steve Jobs' legacy is a powerful source of motivation and inspiration. His journey from a garage in Los Altos to the heights of Silicon Valley is a testament to the incredible potential within each of us.